Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the Expedition Volunteer Quest from the NPC Azure for the prep phase of the upcoming Call of Whales event in Heartopia. So after you finish the Coastal Notice quest by collecting approval signs from any residents, in here you will unlock the Expedition Volunteer stage. But to unlock it, first you need to complete the Annie's quest. And if you don't know how to complete it, you can just check the tutorial link in the descriptions or just check the Heartopia playlist. And then after that, after you successfully unlock these states will work almost the same way like the previous quest. In here you will need to complete the quest from the different town resident, and there are 9 quests in total. And for this tutorial we will focus on Azure quest. And first just track the Azure locations like this. It's located on Central Square. Like this, just go meet Azure and then just talk to her. And then after that, just tap on Expedition Volunteer. And then just tap on Leave it to me to accept the quest. And just like that, you will successfully get the approval from Azure. Like this. In here, you don't need to do any quest from her. You will automatically get the approval from on your journal like this. You can see it. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.